Stop by and take a look at the 2019
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.